Although they've had a boost recently, haven't they? Because they've got plus
yeah,
two,
but it doesn't matter if you
yeah.
get one shot in.
Yes. Yeah. 2, 4,
If you can't get
6,
there, it doesn't matter what you're at. If dreadnoughts are monstrous creatures, you see dreadnoughts all over the place.
Yeah.
They'd last a little bit longer. Which they're a guy in a suit of armor. What the hell?
Okay. I'm going to shoot with these into that tactical squad.
Yep.
They're within the double tap range. Hitting on 4s.
These are AP 5.
They're AP 5. You will get your armor save.
Are they strength 5?
They're
Yeah.
strength 5.
I knew they had high strength. Freeze.
So you have 4 armor saves.
4 armor saves. Alrighty, let's see what you do. I lost 1. Let me do my 6 up. Feel no pain. Nope, I lost a guy. You can hand me that sergeant if you wish.
This guy?
Yes, sir. No, the guy in front.
Guy.
Yeah, the sergeant.
So, right.
You shot smart missiles at it. That's
Yeah.
it. Remember?
So that's going to shoot at the Razorback.
Right.
This is going to. Okay, I just need to declare him. So
yeah, this is the only thing alive back here. The rest of those tanks. Actually, these 2 tanks, I'm moving. They're in concrete tears.
They're what?
This one definitely.
Yeah.
It's already in there. It's
Okay.
that's not gonna make a difference.
Right, then. So smart missiles first into the Razorback.
Just take it upward, being all.
Hits you 5 times.
Ooh.
Re-roll. Hits you 1 more time. Needing 6s. There
you
are
go.
6s.
Done.
Bloody hell, the Razorback's gone.
And that was no cover.
That was no cover because
Okay,
it's
so
smart missiles.
it's done.
So
Let me get out here. That was the squad with the Tech Marine. Yay. It don't matter. Yeah. He's part of the auxiliary I had to take was the 2 Vindicator. It's 3 tanks and a Tech Marine minimum.
Yeah. I'm going to shoot with the green-headed guy at that squad. I don't think I can claim that he shot at them because he shot at a tank.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start by shooting his big gun,
Okay.
which is strength 6, AP 4. But you get cover save if you choose. But
Well, I get
armor
it. I
save
get
is
it.
better.
Yeah, I get it. Very,
So hits you 4 times. Wounds you 4 times.
All right. You don't get rerolls?
Not on that, no, because yeah, no, it's a shame.
Come on, man. Great. Feeling pain? Nope. Lost a guy.
Lost
So
a guy.
he's closest.
Now I couldn't see him. Does that matter? Through that
I mean,
door. I mean, I don't think.
Either one's a bolter. So
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you're right.
Yeah.
But-
Right. Whittle fire from him. It's you 5 times so far. Re-rolling. It's you 7 times. Wounding on 3s.
And this is the.
This is the
Missiles.
smart missiles from him. They don't wound, so that's 5 armor saves.
5 armor saves. All right, so it's on the Tech Marine because he's technically closest in line of sight.
Well, that ignores line of
Oh,
sight,
okay,
so,
well then,
so I think
okay.
you start with him. But
All right, we'll start with the guy in front.
1, 2, 3.
Feeling pain? No, so he's dead. All right, that was 3 total. Right
Yeah.
down to 6. Does that mean?
No, I think I had 5.
Okay. 5 or 6. I can't remember. Nope. Oh, that was the Tech Marine. So he's
Tech
good.
Marine, so he's good, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought that was.
You sure it was 5, not 6?
I think it was, and if
Okay.
it wasn't, then I needed to pay more attention myself. So he's shot.
Fair enough.
I will shoot at that group with this chap. Now he truly is going to be.
Oh yeah, closest. Yeah.
No, he is. He's already shot at them, so that is definitely a go on those. So I'm going to start with the smart missiles. So hitting on 3s. There's 5 hits there, re-rolling for twin links. There's a total of 7 hits. This time we have 7 wounds.
Okay, and this is AP?
And this is AP 5, so you're on your armor saves.
7?
Yes.
Alright, I'm going to roll them one at a time because it'll change armor saves after that tech ring dies. Oh, so there's 1.
How many wounds do you have?
He has 2.
2, yeah.
Yeah, but I made my field pain, so.
Yeah.
So there's 1, 2, 3, he lost a wound. Good. How many you say total? 7?
7 in total.
Alright, good.
Right.
So he lost.
So he's lost 1 wound.
Yes.
Now we're shooting with a big gun, where you get cover saves, but it's hitting on 3s. So it hits you twice, and it's AP 2.
Okay.
Wounds you twice. So are you look out sirring? Are you look out sirring?
No, I got a 3-up cover because of the bolster.
3-up cover because of the what?
This is 4.
Okay.
Tech Marine, remember I bolstered?
Okay, right,
And
yes.
He's lost
fine.
1, so he's 3-up. And he's dead. Feel no pain? No.
Well,
He wouldn't get it feeling pain.
well, actually, doesn't one of the... Did you have a wound before?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, that was a 2.
I did lose 1 another guy, so
Yeah, right.
that's fine.
Okay.
You're right. You're right.
So there's still 2 guys in there. And they've all shot. They haven't shot yet. These fuckers. Right. The plasma gun is going to shoot at the Marines. Oh shit, there's something I didn't do with this. Right. I didn't do my dangerous terrain check, so for him, good. For Shadow Sun, good. For the plasma gun, failed. And takes a wound.
Ooh. Things are looking up.
The missile pod behind him
I'm surprised he didn't
is
break.
good.
I dropped that
Now-
metal tech ring. I'm surprised I didn't break the backpack
Yeah.
off.
Let me come around this side. Missile pod, good. Buff chap, good. Missile pod, good. Cyclic Iron Blaster, not good. And good though. Missile. Right, so I lost 1 wound out of that lot. So shooting that side, he's going to shoot the troops. One of Shadow Suns is going to be in the troops. The other one of Shadow Suns and the Fusion Blaster will be against the drop pod, as will the missile. So the plasma into those suits hits you twice, hits you 3 times, wounds you on a 2. I think they've got their feel no pains.
Yep. 3.
3 of them.
They're all dead.
So the front 3.
Yep.
Now Shadow Sun's shot fails the first time, but it gets re-rolled because of that other little bugger. Hits, wounds you on a 2. He doubles you up probably.
Is
It's
it 8?
8. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and hand it to me. Thanks.
Right. Now Shadow Sun's other shot into the
Drop
drop
up.
pod hits, and then the other guy 2 hits. I don't think any of them will within 9. Sure they're not. No, they're not. So
What's the strength?
strength 8. So that's a pen.
That's nothing.
No, these are nothing. But they're re-rolling
2 pens.
2 pens. This is AP 2.
So it's AP 3 technically.
So-
or
so-
AP 1 because of the
because
plus
of-
1 for open top.
Yeah, so that means I add 3 to the dice roll.
AP 2 is 1, 2.
And I thought AP 3 was.
Your AP 2.
2.
So you get 1 for that,
Okay.
and then you get 1 for being
Okay,
open top.
alright then. So I add 2 to the dice roll.
5, 6 is just 6 is weapon
6,
destroyed.
no, 6 is immobilized.
Yeah, so it's already immobilized, so it's done.
Okay. Yeah, 5 is weapon destroyed, 6 is immobilized.
It's already immobilized, so it would take it for
Okay.
1 point. So
Okay,
it's
so
done.
that-
we can Toss on the side.
Okay.
That way we don't forget.
Okay, so now I don't have nothing to shoot at with the. Oh shit! I should have declared the other side, but clearly they weren't affecting. I am going to shoot. I'm going to shoot these two. I'm going to shoot these two into the drop pod.
Okay.
I'm going to shoot him into those. There is a objective under there.
Yep.
Right. So those two into the drop pod. Him into those two guys, and the other guy into this group here. Right. So the drop pod I'll do first. That's going to be a total of 10 shots into the drop pod at strength 7. So it's 4 times. Rolling. A total of 6 times.
What you got?
So now strength 7, so I need 5 or 6s, but it's re-rolling.
Okay.
Well, there's 1 5.
That was your decision.
It's 2 5s, so it's 2 glances. Huh?
Or yes, 2 lenses.
2 glances. Okay, so that drop pod's staying there unless I can get rid of it some other way, which is kind of doubtful. Now the shot into those 2 guys. Hits you 3 times. Hits you 3 times. Wounds you 3 times. They get their arm saves.
3?
Yeah.
One didn't make it. Still didn't make it.
That's the closest one, I think.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, sorry. Now I've got one guy shooting into these boys. Hits you twice. Hits you 3 times. Wounds you 3 times.
Alright, what is this?
This is strength 7 84.
Lost 1, feel no pain, nothing, so what guy? Him?
It was
Or him?
him.
Him, okay.
Okay, that didn't do as well as I needed it to. Makes the Riptide's choice kind of easy, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. I do have to weaken those in case I get charged.
Those suits are toughness 5, aren't they? Or 4?
They're strength 5, they're toughness 4.
Okay.
And on their Overwatch, I don't believe there are any of the benefits from the other guy. So
Charging those guys with that attack squad is really not.
but it ties them up potentially.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to try and I'm going to go for the big gun on there. So I'm going to center it on that chap. So first of all, does it get hot? No, it does not. Now, so I'm on there, so pick up the drop pod as well. Let's do it in the center. So it's moving 4 inches in that direction. Is that good there?
It's fine with me.
Right, so that's there. I think it's going to pick up 2.
Yeah.